Does someone need a hug? Give me a big squeeze. I promise I won't bite. Come closer, friend. I'll squeeze you until you...
You're Pappy's angel. Come to save us. Nothing left to save. Not here. Bird catnaps home, angel. Their home. A myriad pairs of eyes are on you now. Watching, waiting, hungry. They want nothing more than to crawl beneath your skin and eat away at you bit by little bit. Fill what feels empty inside themselves. That thing, catnap. The prototype is his god, and this is what he does to heretics. These little toys follow catnap to avoid that very fate, and in return, they are fed. We try to fight it, the prototype's control. I'm the last of the smiling critters. Listen to me. You need to get out of this place. You need to live. You and Poppy can fix this. End this madness. The torment. Oh no. Oh no. Leave me. Please. Just go. Run!
Here's the interruption. Students, remain in your seat until the bell has rung. And no going in the halls without a hall pass. Wait, I recognize you. Yes, I remember. You used to work here. How are you? Alive. Barb? Oh. Barb says you're looking for your co-workers. Catnap wouldn't like that you're here. You should leave. For your own safety. Not a good listener, are you? You're a lot like the other humans in that way. I wonder if your screams will sound like theirs too. I look forward to finding out. Where are the kids? Please, where are the children? Are they in the same place as the employees? No. Are the children safe? Yes. Can I see them? No. And that was it. That's all he'd tell me. Probably because he knew I'd kill them all.
Get up. They are trying to build more toys, more like you. It has to be stopped. Are you ready? You will see the location of every puzzle pillar. Protect them. Kill everyone in sight. The puzzle has been failed. Go to them. Your prey flees. Catch them. Follow their prints. Good. Send them down the hole. Feed them to the toys below, quickly, or they will escape your grasp. To the feeding pit. They cannot escape alone, but others may interfere. Let the smaller Huggies keep watch. Leave one here. He will scream if a survivor is spotted. There are 5 Huggies at your disposal. They've collected part of a toy. They cannot be allowed to deliver it. Clever. They will use low ceilings to slow you. Stay persistent. Put them into the ground. Brute force is not enough. You will learn to sabotage their progress. First, I will teach you to destroy their